Alright guys, welcome to the Monday Direction video. Last full week of the trimester. Today we are going to continue on studying. I think I'm just going to give everyone the quiz tomorrow online. I'm having a hard time figuring out how to make the online quiz, how to give it out to different people each day. So it seems too complicated for me. I'm not a smart guy. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to have everyone review one more day on Monday. Obviously, this gives a chance for the Monday Wednesday kids to have a review day with me as well, kind of like the Tuesday Thursday kids did last week. So we're kind of able to be on the equal playing field that way. And then tomorrow, we will all just take the quiz at our designated times. It's all online, so you'll just click, 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 and then submit. All multiple choice / true false this time. No short answer. But again, ancient Greece is the topic of discussion. Again, here we went through it we went through it on Wednesday with the Monday Wednesday people. So again, the Tuesday Thursday people, do not sweat it. If you do not know some of these, you'll have your chance to ask today. Again, go through the PowerPoints, go through the readings and the worksheets, and you'll be pretty much okay. Because again, don't use really Wikipedia because we don't. The questions we ask are too specific for that. Obviously, I take questions from the videos as well. So if you didn't watch the videos, you're probably going to get some questions wrong off the bat. But just make sure you guys are doing your job, studying hard. You can use everything in your notebooks on the quiz. Everything in your notebooks. You can't use the study guide unless you put the study guide in your notebook by writing it out. So do an extra step. Get a good chance to get a good score. Kind of our last big deal for the trimester. All right, guys, that's all I got. Good luck studying. Ask questions if you have any. I'll be glad to answer them. Talk to you later.